If you want to view and export payroll for external payment systems, you can do that by going down to Finances, then go to Export. Here you can view payroll details for each workspace member and export them. Firstly, here at the top we have different filters. So for example, you can filter by members, projects, export format, and time period. Then here at the bottom you can view the member's name, total time, currency, their hourly rate, the total amount, and then lastly the export format. You can set an export format for each member. There are many different export formats. First we have standard CSV. Here the data will be exported exactly as it appears on the page. Then we have WISE batch payments. This format is specifically structured for uploading directly into WISE to process payments. Then we have PayPal mass payouts. It is also structured for uploading directly into PayPal to process payments. Then we have Payoneer mass payouts. Same thing applies to this, but you will need to provide a Payoneer ID for each member. Same thing applies to Gusto Payroll. You can simply download and export it. If you have different formats for different members and export them together, the system will generate a zip file containing separate CSV files, one for each selected method.